Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Wednesday, July 25th, 2018. On the 24th, there was another eruption at Mount Agung in Indonesia, spewing ash 1.5 meters into the air. Enhanced activity continues at the Pacaya volcano in Guatemala, with sporadic explosions and lava flows. A state of emergency has been declared and at least 74 people have been killed in Attica, Greece, after major wildfires broke out on the 23rd. Most of the victims were in the village of Mati and died trapped in their homes and vehicles. Search and rescue operations are still underway, and Greece has mobilized all emergency forces and asked for international assistance. On the 25th, 5 to 7 meter high tidal surges in Java, Indonesia are causing severe flooding along the shores. We first saw this phenomenon occur last week, and since then the surges have only gotten stronger. On the 23rd, another strong tidal surge, this time in Acapulco, Mexico, causing flooding along the shores. On the 24th, over 200 are missing and several feared dead after a hydroelectric dam burst in Laos, leaving 6 villages underwater. And the death toll is rising as search and rescue operations continue. On the 24th, heavy rains caused torrential flooding in Colorado Springs. On the 23rd, strong storms caused severe flooding in many parts of Pennsylvania. In Peru, enormous cracks are spreading and have already destroyed the entire town of Ludo Catudo. A total of 106 families have been relocated, and the cracks are continuing to grow with no sign of stopping. More mysterious bird deaths, as about 200 gala birds have been found dead in the South Australian town of Burra, which has prompted investigations by the state's Department for Environment and Water and the local council. So far, there is no explanation for the die-off, but authorities claim to be investigating. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page.